Visit WOKC.org.
Shane again with Mullen & Mullen Injury Law Firm. I don't have a funny nickname.
KSCS is going on for what's going on.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for Jack, Parker, and Palo Pinto counties until 6 p.m. A severe thunderstorm complex is located near Possum Kingdom, or about 15 miles east-southeast of Graham, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This storm may contain 1.5 inch, that would be half-dollar-sized hail. This storm is near Possum Kingdom now, moving toward Grayford by 5:10, and other locations impacted by this warning include Martin's Chapel, Advance, Oran, Salesville, and Peytonville. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for southern Jack, northwestern Parker, and northern Palo Pinto counties until 6 p.m. A storm east of Possum Kingdom moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
That's KSCS.
We selected all the